African gorillas are among the most fascinating creatures on our planet. These majestic apes captivate us with their strength, intelligence, and complex social lives. Gorillas share about 98% of their DNA with humans, making them one of our closest relatives. The gorilla's powerful presence is felt as they move through their forest homes. They live in close-knit family groups, where each member plays a vital role. Observing these families offers a glimpse into a world that is both alien and strikingly familiar. This essay will take you on a journey into the lives of these incredible animals, exploring their habitat, behavior, and the challenges they face. African gorillas thrive in some of the most lush and diverse habitats on Earth. They primarily inhabit the dense tropical rainforests of Central Africa. These forests provide them with the cover and resources they need to survive. The thick canopy of trees offers protection from predators and harsh weather. The environment where gorillas live is teeming with life. The forests are home to countless species of plants, animals, and insects. The dense vegetation also offers the gorillas plenty of hiding spots and nesting materials. Gorillas are highly adaptable and can live in various types of forests. The preservation of these habitats is crucial for the survival of gorillas. Efforts to protect and restore these forests are essential for the continued existence of these magnificent creatures. Gorillas are native to the forests of Central Africa. Their distribution is divided into two main species, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. Each species has distinct subspecies that occupy different regions. Mountain gorillas are found in the Virunga Mountains, which span the borders of Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Eastern lowland gorillas inhabit the lowland tropical forests of Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Western lowland gorillas are the most widespread and are found in several countries including Cameroon, Central African Republic, Gabon, and the Republic of Congo. They live in lowland and swamp forests which provide ample food and shelter. The Cross River gorilla is the most endangered subspecies and has a very limited range. They are found in a small region along the border between Nigeria and Cameroon. The limited distribution and small population size make the Cross River gorilla particularly vulnerable to threats. Gorillas are social animals that live in groups known as troops. These troops are typically led by a dominant male called a silverback. The silverback is named for the distinctive patch of silver hair on his back, which develops as he matures. He is responsible for the safety and well-being of the group. A typical gorilla troop consists of one silverback, several adult females, and their offspring. The social structure of the troop is complex and hierarchical. Female gorillas usually stay with the troop they were born into, while males may leave as they mature to form their own groups or join other troops. The bond between mothers and their infants is particularly strong. Communication within the troop is vital for their social cohesion. The intricate social lives of gorillas are a testament to their intelligence and emotional depth. The daily life of a gorilla troop is a blend of routine and activity, centered around foraging, socializing, and resting. Gorillas are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day and rest at night. Their day typically starts early in the morning with a search for food. The silverback leads the group to feeding sites, where they spend a significant part of the day eating. Foraging is a communal activity, and the troop often moves together from one feeding site to another. After a morning of foraging, the troop usually takes a break to rest and socialize. During rest periods, grooming is a common activity. Young gorillas take this time to play, which is crucial for their development. In the late afternoon, they begin to prepare for the night. The routine of foraging, socializing, and resting repeats each day, creating a rhythm that sustains the troop. Gorillas have a diverse diet that is primarily vegetarian. They consume a wide variety of plants, including leaves, stems, fruits, and bamboo shoots. The exact composition of their diet varies depending on the species and the availability of food in their habitat. Foraging is a crucial part of a gorilla's daily life. They spend several hours each day searching for and eating food. Gorillas have strong jaws and teeth that allow them to chew tough vegetation. They use their hands to pick leaves and fruits, demonstrating remarkable dexterity. Gorillas play an important role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds through their feces. This helps to promote the growth of new plants and maintain the health of the forest. The gorilla's ability to thrive on a predominantly vegetarian diet is a testament to their adaptability and resilience. Gorillas are highly intelligent animals with complex communication systems. They use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions to convey messages. Each type of communication serves a specific purpose, such as warning of danger, expressing emotions, or coordinating group activities. Vocalizations include grunts, roars, and hoots. Each sound has a distinct meaning, and gorillas can recognize the calls of individual troop members. Body language is another important form of communication. Gorillas use gestures such as chest beating, arm waving, and posturing to convey their intentions. Facial expressions such as baring teeth or pursing lips further enhance their ability to communicate effectively. Gorillas also exhibit problem-solving skills and tool use, indicating their high level of intelligence. The intelligence and communication skills of gorillas are remarkable, reflecting their close genetic relationship to humans. Despite their strength and intelligence, gorillas face numerous threats in the wild. One of the most significant threats is poaching. Gorillas are hunted for their meat, which is considered a delicacy in some cultures. They are also targeted for the illegal pet trade and for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine. Habitat destruction is another major threat to gorillas. Deforestation for agriculture, logging, and mining destroys the forests that gorillas depend on. As their habitat shrinks, gorillas are forced into smaller, fragmented areas, making it harder for them to find food and mates. Human encroachment also introduces diseases to gorilla populations. Efforts to combat poaching and habitat destruction are crucial for the survival of gorillas. Conservation organizations work to protect gorilla habitats, enforce anti-poaching laws, and educate local communities about the importance of gorilla conservation. In addition to human-induced threats, gorillas face several natural challenges that impact their survival. Diseases are a significant concern, as gorillas are susceptible to many of the same illnesses that affect humans. Outbreaks of diseases like Ebola have had catastrophic effects on gorilla populations. Respiratory infections are also common among gorillas, especially those living in areas with frequent human contact. Predation is another natural threat, although it is relatively rare. Leopards are the primary predators of gorillas, particularly young or weak individuals. However, the presence of a vigilant silverback usually deters such attacks. Environmental changes, such as climate change, also pose a threat to gorilla populations. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can affect the availability of food and water, making it harder for gorillas to survive. Extreme weather events, such as droughts or heavy rains, can disrupt their habitat and force them to migrate to new areas, increasing the risk of conflict with other gorilla groups or human communities. Conservation efforts are essential to protect gorillas and their habitats. Numerous organizations and governments are working tirelessly to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. One of the primary strategies is the establishment of protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves. These areas provide a safe haven for gorillas, free from poaching and habitat destruction. Anti-poaching initiatives are also crucial. Conservationists and rangers patrol gorilla habitats to deter poachers and enforce wildlife protection laws. Community engagement is a key component of these efforts. Educating local communities about the importance of gorillas and involving them in conservation activities can help reduce poaching and habitat destruction. Research and monitoring are vital for understanding gorilla populations and their needs. By working together, we can create a safer future for gorillas and preserve the rich biodiversity of their forest homes. There are many ways individuals can contribute to gorilla conservation. One of the most effective ways is by supporting organizations dedicated to protecting gorillas and their habitats. Donations to conservation groups help fund anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration projects, and community education programs. Raising awareness about the plight of gorillas is another important step. Sharing information about gorilla conservation on social media, participating in awareness campaigns, and educating others about the importance of protecting these animals can help garner support for conservation efforts. Ecotourism is a way to support gorilla conservation while experiencing the beauty of their natural habitat. Responsible tourism that follows ethical guidelines can generate income for local communities and conservation projects. Advocating for stronger wildlife protection laws and policies is also crucial. Protecting African gorillas requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and organizations worldwide. Together, we can make a difference and ensure that future generations can continue to